Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order in writ appeal and subsequent order in review petition number 145/2006 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Madras. The original allottee of the land in question has preferred the present special leave petitions. As the petitioner herein was allotted a plot bearing number 25 in Thiru Colony scheme area by the Tamil Nadu Slum Clearance Board. The petitioner paid all the amounts payable in pursuance of the said allotment. She was also issued with a no objection certificate for obtaining water connection and drainage connection. However, before putting up any construction, she was required to obtain the permission from Chennai Municipal Corporation to put up construction. The petitioner applied for approval of the building plan on 15/3/1996, but without waiting for the approval to be granted to the building plan, she proceeded with the construction. It appears that the plot in question was earmarked as public convenience. A civil suit was filed against the board so as to restrain the board in making allotment to the individual. Hence, the plot allotted to the petitioner was required for the public purpose. At this stage, it is required to be noted that the Chennai Metropolitan Development Authority originally granted approval to the layout in the scheme, town planning scheme, which showed the land in question to be earmarked for public convenience. However, since the plot allotted to the petitioner was required for the public purpose, the CMDA did not approve the proposal for making the allotment. That after the Slum Clearance Board cancelled the allotment of the plot in question by proceeding dated 3/6/1996. It appears that despite the order of cancellation, the petitioner continued with the unauthorized construction and even without the building plan getting sanctioned approved. According to writ appellant before the division bench of the High Court, the petitioner along with 50 persons stormed into the colony and began demolishing the public lavatory. Therefore, writ petition came to be filed before the High Court, being writ petition number 1800/1996, directing the Slum Clearance Board to remove illegal construction by submitting that there are above 400 families residing in the said colony. Therefore, the Slum Clearance Board has constructed public toilets there. The petitioner herein filed the writ petition before the learned single judge, being written petition number 10440/1996, challenging order 3/6/1996 cancelling the allotment. The learned single judge allowed the said writ petition, setting aside the cancellation of the allotment by observing that there was no jurisdiction with the Slum Clearance Board to cancel the allotment. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the order passed by the learned single judge, respondent number 2 herein has preferred the present writ appeal before the division bench of the High Court. The division bench of the High Court by a detailed judgment and order has set aside the order passed by the learned single judge by observing that as the plot was intended for a public purpose under the layout for the scheme approved by the Chennai Metropolitan Development Authority, and the same was intended for a public purpose, the same could not have been allotted in favor of an individual, and also by observing that construction put up by the petitioner herein was absolutely illegal and unauthorized construction even without getting the building plan sanctioned by the Chennai Municipal Corporation. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order passed by the division bench of the High Court, the original allottee has preferred the present special leave petitions. The learned senior advocate has appeared on behalf of the petitioner and the learned AAG has appeared on behalf of the respondent state. The learned senior advocate appearing on behalf of the petitioner has assailed the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court on the following grounds and submitted as under. 1. That respondent number 2 herein writ appellant had no locus to file the writ appeal, as the writ appellant cannot be said to be an aggrieved person. 2. That the Slum Clearance Board, whose order of cancellation of the allotment was set aside, has accepted the judgment and order passed by the learned single judge. 3. That in the area locality in question full development has taken place and therefore the land is not need for any public utility. And 4. That the petitioner has put up the construction after getting the plans sanctioned, may be subsequently. On the other hand, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent state board has vehemently submitted that as the plot in question was reserved for public utility, public convenience for the locality under the sanctioned scheme of the Chennai Metropolitan Authority, and when despite the above the land was allotted in favor of individual against the scheme sanctioned.